How do I set up an ESOP on Cake? Issuing equity to employees for the first time is one of those moments as a founder that feels both exciting and generally stressful. You want to get it right for the business, for the compliance, but also for the people you're bringing onto the journey with you. Let me walk you through exactly what the process looks like on Cake. So what you need: an option pool, so a block of shares reserved for employee grants created as part of your cap table. You need a 409A valuation that is setting the fair market value of your common stock. This becomes the strike price. You need a stock option plan, so the legal framework governing how options are issued. US C Corp templates are built into Cake. You also need an individual option agreements for each employee. And the setup process looks like this. Step 1, 409A. If you don't have a current one, Cake does these in-house at 1500 and only 3 business days. If you already have one from a recent round, check whether it's still within the 12-month window. Step number 2, option pool. Cake guides you through reserving shares from your authorized capital. Most seed stage companies set up a 10 to 15% pool. Step 3, plan the setup. Standard vesting is 4 years with a 1-year cliff. So no shares vest in the first year, then a quarter vests at month 12. The rest vest monthly over the following 36 months. Cake's US C Corp templates are built in. Step 4, issue grants. Cake generates the option agreement, routes it for an e-signature, and records it in the cap table automatically. So what happens after? Employees get access to their own Cake portal. They can see their options, their vesting schedule, and an estimate of what their equity could be worth under different scenarios. Vesting events are tracked automatically. When an employee leaves, Cake flags the unvested shares and the exercise window for that vested options. Setting up an ESOP done right is one of the best recruitment and retention tools you actually have in a startup. Done wrong, it creates a compliance problem that surfaces at the worst possible time. If you want to see how it works on Cake, head to cakeequity.com.